guys, you picked up a bottle of Prosecco Brut Calmaggiore from the Masottina winery. A perfect Prosecco to go with aperitivo, but also for something else. Come find out. I love this moment when you just crack open the cage. You set the Prosecco free. It's actually turning like in a difficult task for me today, but here we are. So this is Glera 100%, and we are in, I don't know if you've ever been to Treviso, guys, but it's a beautiful, beautiful town. It's like a little Venice. So elegant, so romantic, and of course, perfect spot just to sit down in one of the many little bars to enjoy an aperitivo. And aperitivo is exactly why Prosecco was invented, I believe. Glera, in this case, releases a lot of like green apples, almonds, flowers. Once again, Prosecco is all about the white flowers, but also some more intense, like jasmine. Very rich mousse, perlage, very sweet citrus fruit. This is more about the tangerine, actually, and candied like ginger, which I love. A little bit of spiciness in this wine. Is it gonna be good with fish? Of course, it's gonna be good with some white fish, like some branzino, some sea bass, like maybe in the oven, grilled fish. That's what I would go for.